Hi guys, I think you're going to love this easy recipe. It gives you snack choices in lockdown when you feel more hungry while staying indoors. It just boosts up healthy eating and nutrition all around. Some of the tips you might already know. Some of the tips I'm going to share might new for you. I must say, you eat local, eat what you see growing around you. It works equally well with the people who wants to lose weight or who wants to gain weight or people who wants to have more choices in food. So today we are going to make a budget-friendly snack suitable for you and your family.
When lockdown released last time, most of us having the same question: how to get rid of unnecessary body fat? What is the right food to eat? What kind of exercise you should be doing? Do 10 minutes yoga every day, morning stretch, evening stretch, or whenever you get time. Another very important suggestion I can pass it to you, that eat with mindfulness. Eat in silence. Enjoy every bite you are putting in your mouth. And last but not least, eat local. Local means be mindful that what people are harvesting from the farm. Internet can help you. What kind of vegetables or grains people are harvesting. So whatever food you are buying from supermarket is not stored for 6 months or longer than that. We all know that storing food lose so much energy or so much benefit, which is good for your mind and body. So this is month of November. I have got in my allotment like kale, spinach, beetroot, radish. There's so many things still growing in this cold weather too. So I understand that not everybody having farm or allotment, especially in urban area. But why internet is here? Internet can tell you. And when you are buying these products from the supermarket, that means it's like 70% of chance that you are eating more fresh, more healthy. You are eating everything what your body needs. So this is second lockdown, we are more prepared. Set your intention or goal not to have or put on any weight. First lockdown, we didn't know how it is going to work, so we were buying lots of stuff. People were so scared that maybe supermarket will be empty. So they were buying so much food. If somebody supposed to buy one, they were buying 10, and when it's at home you can't control yourself. But second time, we know we are well prepared, guys. Have determination not to get any weight in this lockdown. Okay, let me tell you one thing. My son said today morning only that last time in lockdown I had so much weight because whenever I was hungry, I kept on eating chocolate, crisps, and other all the junks. So can you make me some kind of salad, crunchy salad? He likes, things which is crunchy in mouth. And today I'm going to make for him. Obviously, it has to be tasty too. If it's not tasty, kids won't eat. So welcome to Ratnasri Yoga Kitchen.
So I'm in my kitchen garden to collect some vegetable for today's recipe. I still got lots of beetroots to harvest. These are late planted beetroots. I simply scattered seeds directly in the ground in late June and the result is awesome. Then I harvested some more vegetables like ground pumpkins, cucumbers, carrots, cherry tomatoes. These were in my greenhouse. Now everything was in the kitchen. Let's check out ingredients. Take a cup of soaked and boiled kidney beans, which is high in protein. Kidney beans is also grown in my kitchen garden. We'll make separate video on this. Everything I'm going to use in this recipe are very local, actually all from my kitchen garden. Chop one red onion. You can slice or grate carrot any way you like. Use 1 or 2 carrots. 1 large beetroot. Again you can slice or grate. Carrots and beetroots both are root vegetables. These are great source of fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, vitamin A and C. Now next seasonal vegetable we are going to use curly kale. As you know, kale also contains vitamin C and vitamin E, which are important antioxidants needed to help support the immune system. But it's probably most well known for being a very good source of vitamin K. I like to break kale with my hands rather than using knife. Now we are almost ready with all our ingredients. You can add more vegetable if you want. It's completely your choice. I'm taking 1 chopped tomato. I'm sure that kids would love this snacks too because it looks so vibrant and colorful. So this is the perfect snacks for kids too when they back from school or just before tea time. Making toast with 2 breads to add some carb in our recipe. And then slice it in the way you want. I'm taking thin strips out. It took hardly 10 minutes to prepare all the ingredients. So we have got our chopped onions, kidney beans, grated carrot, chopped tomatoes, chopped beetroot, kale. I added some cucumber, is completely your choice. And some mixture of seeds if you like to eat seeds. Two tablespoons of cheese, olive oil, salad cream, some black pepper. Now mixing all the ingredients in a large bowl. It's already started looking great, colorful, beautiful. Stir well. Wish I could have taken a bit bigger bowl, but that's all right, I can manage. Adding cheese, some salt, just a pinch of salt because cheese already have got salt. Some olive oil, black pepper, and seeds of your choice. You can add any seeds if you want. You can add some walnuts or peanuts. These are good for our body joints. Once you are happy with the ingredients you added to your bowl, just stir gently and you will feel that this salad bowl is inviting you. You want to eat them as soon as you can. So no need to wait anymore. Serving your salad generously in a plate, I will highly recommend you to add some toasted bread or bread stick with your salad. And for me, this is very satisfying to watch my teenager gaining all the energy with this highly nutritious food what he invested during his long school hours. So guys, you seen my son pass this recipe. He really enjoyed. Hope you and your family will enjoy this recipe too. It's not something new that I have created. It is just mindfulness. So mindful way of cooking or preparing things for your family. Now say bye to chocolates and crisps. Whenever you're getting hungry, you have got very healthy options to eat.
If you feel it's beneficial for you, please like, share and subscribe for the well-being of yourself, friends and family.